how to download VN Video Editor on PC. So in order to download the VN Video Editor, you just need to follow some steps. So without any further delay, let's begin. First of all, open up your browser and on the search bar, you may just type in VN Video Editor download or just type in VN Video Editor. After that, hit that search button. Just type in VN Video Editor and go for search. And after that is loaded, you will see a bunch of options here. You may just download it from any of the link provided, but I'm gonna go with Google Play Store one. Just tap on the link. After tapping on the link, you will be able to see this interface. So here, just tap on install. After that, the installation will be completed and you may use that video editor app in order to edit videos. So therefore, by following this method, you can download VN Video Editor on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.